Welcome to Lori's Local Corner, preparing a home for its next chapter. When many sellers decide to sell their home, they immediately think they need to start major renovations or completely rehab the house. They're excited about moving on to their next adventure, but first they still have the current house to contend with. So before spending a lot of money, start simple. Walk through the house with a notepad or your phone and record what you think needs attention. Then walk around the outside of the home and do the same thing. Don't forget the flower beds, porches, driveway, and landscaping. Buyers see everything. Once your list is complete, create a realistic timeline for getting things done. And remember, you will run out of energy if you try to do everything at once, so pace yourself. Call in the kids to help, ask friends for assistance, or hire help where needed. Preparing a home for the market doesn't always require major renovations. Sometimes planning, cleanup, and a little elbow grease can make a huge difference. Take a moment to enjoy your home and the area around you. When it's time to make a move, I'm here to help. I'm Lori Walker.